Dyson Airwrap has been my dream hair tech for a long time. And what surprised me is that this bad girl is 4 kg. I didn't expect that. It's really big. So let's unbox and try to use it on my hair and see how it goes. Here we go. Wow. Wow. It's giving. Guys, look at that. This is the main Dyson. So this is the round volumizing brush. I saw some people complaining on the other Dyson. It easily fall off, but this cannot fall off because it has lock and unlock. This is the Dyson Airwrap Co-anda2x Curly+Coily HS09. It's the latest version for those that are interested in that information. Next is the round volumizing brush 2 times. Oh, it's giving. Next is the fast dryer 2x, smaller than the other ones but might. Oh, look at that, so cool. I can't wait to use it. Next we have the tension comb. This looks cool. I love that this comb is wide tooth. This is the Co-anda2x curling barrel. This one is what made me to actually want Dyson, this curler. I like it. What else do we have? A manual. Ooh, this is surprisingly big. This is the Wave+Curl diffuser. This is really big. It even almost slipped off my hand. Wow, I like this one. I can't wait to use it. Whoa. Oh, this is a wide tooth comb. Wow, I love it. I wet my hair a bit. Oi. Ooh, cool. Ah, yes, it's here. And I was saying, village girl. Oh, oh. It's really fast dryer, guys. And we have Bluetooth here to connect it to your phone. That's really cool. Okay, next we're gonna use the main guy, the main bad guy for me. How do I use it? How you guys have been using this? Where is instruction for button description?
A few moments later.
Guys, look at that. This is my first curl after several attempts. Wow, I love it. Oh my god. Wow, it's actually not bad. Oh. Oh. Practice makes perfect. This is good. I can't wait to use it fully. But it's so stressful though. You have to practice for some time. Overall, I like it. First impression is fine. I like it already. It's really giving PlayStation 5 vibes because it's difficult to use. But I like it. La la la. Please like this video and follow me if my content resonates with you. Another feature I like about it is that it has a phone stand. Okay, that's it. Stay tuned for usage updates.